NCERT video welcomes you. Today we are going to read Chapter 2, The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Let's start the chapter, The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Let us read. Once there was a man who sold caps. Once there was a man who sold caps. He carried many caps in a basket on his head. He carried many caps in a basket on his head. He was a cap seller. He was a cap seller. One day he slept under a tree. One day he slept under a tree. There were monkeys on the tree. There were monkeys on the tree. They came down from the tree. They came down from the tree. They took away all the caps. They took away all the caps. The cap seller woke up. The cap seller woke up. He saw the basket was empty. He saw that the basket was empty. He looked around and above. He looked around and above. The monkeys were wearing his caps. The monkeys were wearing his caps. What do you think the cap seller would do now? The cap seller shook his fist at the monkeys. The cap seller shook his fist at the monkeys. They also did the same. They also did the same. The cap seller scratched his head. The cap seller scratched his head. The monkeys did the same. The monkeys did the same. The cap seller had an idea. The cap seller had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it into the empty basket. He took off his cap and threw it into the empty basket. Next page. Next page. Okay. The monkeys also did the same. The monkeys also did the same. The cap seller got all his caps back and went away happily. The cap seller got all his caps back and went away happily. Let's see the figure. Here is a cap seller who is selling cap. He rested under a tree. All monkeys on the tree came down and took the caps. When the cap seller woke up, he saw that there was no cap in the basket. He got an idea. He threw his cap into the basket, and since monkeys do the same what you do in front of him, they also threw their caps into the basket, and the cap seller got all his caps. Let us speak. A. Answer the following question. 1. Do you have a cap? What is its color? If okay, the answer will be yes, I have a cap. If you have cap, yes, I have a cap. Cap. It is white in color. Your answer could be different. Yes. Okay, you can write no, or you can write yes. If yes, what is the color? Blue, red, etc. You can write. Question 2. Why do you think the monkeys threw the cap in the basket? Since the monkeys were doing what you do in front of them, so they threw caps in the basket. its answer will be monkeys did what the cab seller did. Okay, you can write another answer. You can write in your own words. Okay. B. What is the first sound of the word in each row? 1. Cap, cat, coat. The sound is k, cap, cat, k, cat, k, coat. Second, monkey, mango, mouse. M, monkey. M, mango. M, mouse. Third, basket, bat, ball. Basket. B, basket. B, bat. B, ball. Okay, let us write. A. Circle the word that starts with the same sound in each row. Circle the word that start with the same sound in each row, such as car, can, cat, cow. Okay, all start with k sound. C. Man, mat, man, mango, mug. Okay, other will sound differently, such as tap, rat, hat. Tap, rat, hat. Okay, these sound similarly: car, can, cat, cow, mat, man, mango, mug. Next page. B. Write the number 1 to 4 next to the picture according to the story. You have to write the number as per the story. This is the first, where cab seller is selling the cab. This is the second, he rested under a tree. This is the third, here the cab seller threw his cap into the basket. This is the fourth, where the all monkeys threw their cap in the basket. Let's color and write. You have to color this one like this. You can color in a different fashion. Okay, for example, I am coloring it. You can color monkeys with brown and white face or something else as shown in this photo. Okay, brown is an light yellow and dark yellow. Brown makes color for their mouth, face and stomachs. Okay, I can color it and show you. Okay, you can color its face red. Okay, you can leave you can color it slight yellow to its face. Don't color its his eyes or something. Okay, just color the face and the body. This leg, Okay, you can color in other fashion. This is a cap. You can color the cap similarly as per your choice. Okay, you can color the basket as shown in the figure. Okay, or in different fashion you if you want. D. Cats, rat, ants and more. Write their name. Okay, this is a ant. This is bee. This is cat. This is dog. This is a elephant. This is fish. Okay, you can write F like this. Fish. Goat. This is goat. This is hen. This is ink pot. This is jug. This is kite. This is lion. This is monkey. This is nest. This is owl. This is parrot. This is quill. This is rat. This is snake. This is tiger. This is uniform. Okay. This is van. This is whale. This is X-ray. This is yak. This is zebra. Okay, now write your name here. You have to write your name here. My name is NCERT video. Okay, this is my channel name. Okay, you will soon know my name also. Let us sing. Butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. Up, up, up. Butterflies, butterflies, down, down, down. Butterflies, butterflies, in. Butterflies, butterflies, out, out, out. Okay, you can sing. Butterflies, butterflies, up, up, up. Butterflies, butterflies, down, down, down. Butterflies, butterflies, up, in. Butterflies, butterflies, out, out, out. Okay, would you like to replace butterflies with anything else? Try. You can replace something else. Monkey, monkey, up, up, up. Monkey, monkey, down, down, down. You can sing like that. A. Answer the question. Teacher, look up. What do you see on the tree? Child, I see dash, bird, monkey, etc. Okay. As per the chapter, you have to write here monkey. Okay. This the question should be referred according to you the chapter. Teacher, look up. What do you see on the tree? Child, I see monkeys on the tree. Teacher, look down. What do you see on the ground? I see cap seller on the ground. Okay. Teacher, look up. What do you see in the sky? Okay, this question should be answered according to the photo given here. What do you see on the tree? Somebody will see birds, somebody will see kite, somebody will see monkey, somebody will see mango, somebody will see beehive, somebody will see snake, somebody will see owl, and what you will see down the tree? Some will see squirrel, somebody will see water or footpath. Okay, somebody will see this swing. Okay, and somebody will see aeroplane in the sky. Okay, birds in the sky, etc. Okay, you can write many things. For simplicity, I will write monkey here. I see monkey on the tree. Look down. What do you see on the ground? Squirrel. Yes, Quirrel. Squirrel. Look up. What do you see in the sky? Aeroplane. Child, I see aeroplane in the sky. The answer will be I am reading whole thing. Teacher, look up. What do you see in the sky? Child, I see monkey on the tree. Teacher, look down. What do you see on the ground? Child, I see squirrel on the ground. Teacher, look up. What do you see in the sky? Child, I see aeroplane in the sky. Okay. B. Say and clap. Say aloud each line of both the poem, clapping for every word. For example, butterflies clap, butterflies clap. You have to clap. When I say will clap, you have to clap. Butterflies up, up, up. Butterflies down, down. Rolly, Polly, up, up, up. Rolly, Polly, down, down. Okay, you have to sing and clap after every word. Let us write. Encircle the word that have P in the poem. That have P in them. Okay, P in them. Encircle the word that have P in them. For example, put, mat, sat, cap, top, cat, pat, fan, apple, pink, tan, tap. Again, put, it has P, mat, no P, sat, no P, cap, 1 P, top, 1 P, cat, 1 P, pat, 1 P, Fan, no P. Apple, 2P. Pink, 1P. Tan, no P. Tap, 1P. Okay. B. Encircle the matching letters in each row. You have to encircle the matching letters in each row. Okay, T, F, P, F, R. Then matching will be F. B, C, D, B, Q. B is matching. C, O, Q, N, O, R. O is matching. W, X, M, W, V. W, W. C. Match the words with the same initial syllable. Match the words with the same initial syllable. Okay. Hop, hop, sand, jump, hop, sand, jump, run, dance, dog, hide, sock, rat, jet. The initial syllable should be same. Hop, hop, hide, hop, hide, sand, sock, jump, jet. Run, run, rat, dance, dog. Okay. Let us speak. Listen and repeat. Some words have two syllables. Notice the words below. Monkey, monkey. Seller, seller. Basket, basket. Donkey, donkey. Okay. This key matches here. Okay. Okay. Let us read. Catch me if you can. A fat cat sat on a mat. Wow. A fat cat sat on a mat. I can catch you, little rat, said the cat. I can catch you, little rat, said the cat. Again I am reading. A fat cat sat on a mat. I can catch you, little rat, said the cat. Okay, you can see picture here. A fat cat laying on the mat and a rat is there. Then the cat said, I can catch you, little rat. What happened next? A little rat saw her and hid in a hat. This little rat saw her and hid in hat. Okay, you can see a hat is there and a rat is hiding himself under the hat. A little rat saw her and hid in a hat. No, no, you can't, said the rat. After hiding himself, the rat said, no, no, you can't, said the rat. The cat ran to catch the cat. You can see the cat ran to catch the cat. The cat ran to catch the rat. The rat ran and hid in a box. You can see the rat is hiding himself in the box. The rat ran and hid in a box. The lid of the box did not open. The lid of the box is not open. Ha ha! You can't catch me, big cat, said the rat. After making his head out, laughing at the cat, the rat said, ha ha! You can't catch me, big cat, said the rat. Help the mouse to reach his home. Help the mouse to reach his home. You have to draw lines so that the mouse will reach his home. Okay, you can start from here, moving to this. Okay, this. Okay, yeah, mouse reached his home. Mouse reached its home. Okay, let us listen. A. Close your eyes and listen to the word said by your teacher. Cat, bat, fat, sat, mat, hat. The first letter only changes. Cat, bat, fat, sat, mat, and hat. Second letter is same, at. What is the first sound of each of these words? Okay, the first sound is cat, C, bat, B, fat, F, sat, S, M, mat, H, hat. What is the common in these words? At. C, B, F, C, S, M, H. Okay. B. Let us make words by adding one letter to at as shown. The first letter has been done for you. You have to write letter like this: bat, cat, mat, fat, rat, hat. You have to write the same thing: cat, mat, fat, rat, and hat. Okay, listen and do listen and do the action that your teacher says. Catch the ball, throw the ball, hide under a tree, open your pencil box or bag, close your pencil box or bag, say hurry, hooray, say hooray. Okay, you have to do the things what teacher says. Catch the ball, throw the ball, hide under a tree, hide under a table, open your pencil box or bag, close your pencil box or bag, say hooray, say hooray. D. Now listen to the following words. Do you know what they mean? Ask your teacher. Catch. Catch means you hold something. Throw, you push something at a high speed. Hide, you make your absent from everywhere. Nobody will see you. Okay, hide. Open means something is closed. You explore something. Okay, say something, speak something tell you with some word with your mouth. Close means just opposite to open. Something in covered. Okay, covered. Let us read. Try to read the story. Catch me if you can, again by yourself. Okay, catch me if you can, you again by yourself. You have to read the story. Catch me if you can by yourself. A fat cat sat on a mat. I can catch you, little rat, said the cat. A little rat saw her and hid in a hat. No, you can't, said the rat. The cat ran in to catch the rat. The rat ran and hid in a box. The lid of the box did not open. Ha ha, you can't catch me, big cat, said the rat. Okay, what shall we make? A cat, a rat. Let us do. Took a mask of a cat from the last page of your book. Okay, there is a mask given at the last page of your book. Cut out the mask with the help of your teacher. Make a hole on the sides like this. Okay, you have to cut and make hole like this. Tie strings in this hole. Tie string in this hole, and your mask is ready to use. Your mask is ready to use. Now think about the step for making the mask of a rat. Tell your friend how to make a mask of a rat. Are your mask ready? Enact a story. Enact the story. After making the mask, you have to enact your story of rat and cat. Let us explore. Look at the insects, flowers, birds, mammals and trees around your home. Draw some of these and tell your friends more about them. You have to draw the insects, flowers, birds, animals and trees around you and tell your friend about that. Let us do A. Help these animals find their homes. You have to help these animals find their home. This is the lion live in den. Okay, ant live in ant hill. Okay, this is spider weave the net. This is beehive and okay. Okay, first I will match their homes. Rat will live in burrow. Okay, rat. This is not rat. This is rabbit. Rabbit will live in burrow. Ant will live in anthill. Spider will weave its net. Okay. Lion will live in den. Lion will live in den. And bee will live in beehive. Okay, bee will live in beehive. Okay. B. Ask anyone in your family to tell you a story about animals. Try to share the story in English in class. Listen to the story and shared by your friend in class. Okay, ask your family to tell a story about animals. Okay, ask your guardians or your bhaiya. Okay, your elder brother, sister, your nana, nani, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, anybody else, your neighbors also you can ask, and share the story in English in the class. You have to share that story in your classroom with your classmates in English. Ask others to share the same. C. In small groups, choose any story that you heard or shared in the class. Draw pictures for the story. Present the story in a class. Okay, in a small group, you have to make a small group and present the story you heard in the classroom. Okay, you can subscribe NCERT video for more such lectures. I will be uploading complete NCERT. Okay, from class 1 to 12. Okay, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.